Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: drivers updated and a GPU using app installed. Open Task Manager now, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, then click More Details. Once there, switch to the Performance tab and select GPU. This shows real-time usage graphs. Make sure to have the app ready so you can observe changes. If you prefer a deeper view, install a simple GPU tool next. But first, watch how usage rises when you launch the workload. Next, you dig into the data. In Task Manager, note GPU engine, memory usage, and percent utilized. These explain bottlenecks. If you need per process or clock information, install GPU-Z or your GPU vendor's performance tool. They give temperatures, clock speeds, and detailed process use. Once done, launch the workload and watch which metric spikes, so you know whether compute, memory, or thermal limits are the issue. Make sure to compare idle versus load numbers for context. Finally, you complete the check by recording peak GPU usage, memory, and temperatures. Compare those to the card specifications so you know if behavior is expected. If values are low while workload should be high, update drivers, check power settings, or change app GPU preference. Should readings be erratic, restart the machine, receipt cables, or reinstall the vendor utility. This resolves many sensor or reporting issues. One key tip: if readings are missing,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.